How to delete draft reels on Instagram. Welcome back to Glitz Sosara, and let's get right into this video. Starting off, you need to go ahead and open up your Instagram application. You need to make sure that you are logged in into your device. Now once you are in here, tap on the plus sign icon and swipe to the Reels section. Select on draft, then tap on select and select on the draft video. Tap on Discard at the bottom. Select Discard again for confirmation. Just like that, you have deleted the draft video from your Instagram account. If your application is not up to date, it will notify you that you need to uninstall the application to delete the reel or the draft reel. Don't worry, it will not remove any of your posts, but your draft will surely be deleted. If not, you just open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram for an update. Make sure that your Instagram is up to date so that you get the option of deleting your draft reels. Once it is up to date, press and hold on to your app and head to App Info. From here, you need to force stop it, head to Storage and Cache, then clear up the cache. This is to force update your app. This wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.